Kind of smells like apple cider vinegar. I know that's weird. So in this video, we're gonna do, I feel like I start all my intro. I do start all my intros like that. So in this video, it's gonna be a haul video. The past couple of weeks, I've been shopping online like crazy. So I was thinking like, why not make a YouTube video about it, right? So we're gonna do a haul on, I don't know if you ever heard of it, but Shein. So I bought like a couple of things from Shein. So I'm gonna show you guys, and I'm also going to try them on so you guys can see how they fit. But yeah, let's just get into it. Okay, so this first thing is like this. What is this? It's like a crew neck, right? Sweatshirt. So this sweatshirt is so cute. I saw it and I was like, I have to have it. So I brought it like very large because like I'm for my tops I'm small or like medium, so I got it really large so it can be kind of like a dress sweatshirt, but when I'm holding it up it doesn't really like look like it's long enough to be kind of like a dress, but like that's tall girl problem. So yeah, this is a extra large and it's not long enough to be a dress, of course, so maybe an extra large, but like, you know, this is how I'm going to wear it. And maybe some pants or some leggings, or you never know, because I know they have a policy where you can return this, so I'm probably going to return it and get a much bigger size, so that can work. Okay, so next I have these black pants that I ordered because, you know, black goes with everything. Kind of smells like apple cider vinegar. I know that's weird, but that's literally, when I opened it, I smelled apple cider vinegar. But these are really cute. They have pockets, you know, so let's try these on. I was low-key scared that these were gonna fit because these are a medium and that shirt was an extra large, and you see how that fit, but like these pants fit perfectly. They're so cute. So let's get to the next part. Alright, so next we have just like a basic like plaid shirt, which I think is like really cute. So I just bought it and it was cheap. Okay, so this is the shirt. This shirt is an extra small, and if my hair's messed up it's because I couldn't even get my head through this, but like it fits perfectly. It fits like how I want it to fit, and it's with these pants that I tried on previously. So this is a cute fit, you know. So yeah, but I'm gonna do another video of how I piece all my outfits together, but that'll be another video. So we're just gonna go to the next project. Let me just pull it up over here. So this right here, when I saw this, for some reason it gave me like the 90s feel, the colors and all that, so that's what I was really going for. And I'll probably wear this with like these pants with this shirt. But let me try this on so you guys can see how it looks. Okay, so this is a shirt. This is a extra small, which I'm not understanding from the first shirt that I tried on. It was an extra large, but like, yeah, I don't know, but like still, everything's cute. Everything that I bought, perfect material and everything, like I'm literally in love right now. So yeah, this shirt is an extra small. Looks really good, you know. So, and then, so with this fit, I I actually bought a bag to go with this fit. This bag came in. Look how cute this is. This is so cute. It has a little gold thing on it. So yeah, I'm just looking at this. Like, I don't know if you can see it. There's like a little mark on it, but like besides that, it's just straight. Just paper. Yeah, that's it. There's no pockets in here, but straight. A little smudge. I'm pretty sure that little smudge can come off. That's basically it. Love with this. I'm gonna try my glasses on with these. So yeah. I'm gonna give you my final thoughts. My hair is like still messed up from that one shirt, but whatever. So final thoughts of the clothing. I love everything. Good material. You know, it was some bad parts, but it was just like the smell of when you open the package, but like that ain't bad, you know what I'm saying? And just for the bag, the little smudge, but like that can be from anything. So like besides all that, I will shop there again. I recommend that you shop there. It was like good deal. All this stuff that you've seen today, I got for $47. Yeah, it was like around there. But like they were having a sale, and I believe they have sales like all the time. So yeah. So I have the other websites that I shopped, I'll do videos for, because I know I shopped online for Fashion Nova, so that's coming soon. I didn't get all my products. I was waiting to get all my products, or I might do part 1, part 2, because there is a lot of products. I don't know yet. And then there's probably gonna be a video of how I piece my my outfits together. So stay tuned, subscribe so you can check out those videos.